Hello everyone. So welcome to this my new video, and in this video we are going to learn about circles. Circles mean in what sense? Circle means from where the equation of circle has been derived, how its locus is being formed, and many more thing about radius and centers, the points of radiations, centers, and many things about circles. So let's get started. We will learn it from most the basic level to the advanced level. Anyone from class 10th or class 11th can also watch this lecture. There will be no doubt, I guarantee you. So without wasting any time, let's start. So firstly, let's have the heading circles. Okay, do you know what the circle is? Circle is basically a locus of a point which is equidistant from a fixed point. Oh, what does that mean? It is basically a locus. Circle is basically a locus. Locus means what? Locus means the path traced. Locus, what locus basically is? It is the path traced by a point. It is path traced by a moving point. Path traced by a moving point, which is moving following a certain condition. Okay, so what is locus? Locus is basically the path traced by a moving point which is moving according to some certain condition. And here, in case of circle, there is a moving point which is of course traveling in such a way. What condition it is following over here? That moving point is moving in such a way that it maintains a constant fixed distance from a fixed point. It means, suppose there is a fixed point h comma k, and there is some point in this space. Suppose this is the point p. Suppose this point is x comma y. Let's suppose this point is x comma y, and in the space there is some point p h comma k, which is moving in such a way that it maintains a fixed distance from this point, and we call it a distance r, which we call as a radius of the circle. So this point is p is moving in such a way that it maintains the fixed distance from this point. Let's call this point as c. So it is moving in such a way that it maintains a fixed distance from a fixed point. Then the locus, then the path which it will trace, that path is called the circle. So the locus here is the circle. So we can say the fixed point, we call it as center, and the fixed distance by which the point p is moving, that fixed distance we called as radius. So this is basically the story from where the concept of circle has been arrived. Okay, so now from where the equation is arrived, from where the equation of circle has came into emergence. Okay, let's see. Let's go for that. Equation of circle. So what we are saying, suppose this is a circle, this is a center which is, let's suppose, x comma y, and suppose here it is a point p h comma k. Okay, and this fixed distance we call it as radius r. Okay, so now we will derive the equation of the circle. We will derive the standard equation of circle. That is nothing but it is just in class 11 you will learn about distance between 2 points. That formula only we are going to use here, and will derive the equation of circle. So we are using the formula of distance between 2 points. Okay, distance between 2 points. So suppose this is a point c which is x comma y, and this is a point p which is h comma k, and the distance is r. So by using distance formula we can say x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. this we get, and this is the equation of locus. Now in order to suppose this point is x1 and y1. Okay, so here it becomes x1 and y1. So this is the equation of locus, but we should not have the parameters like h and k, so we need to convert it into x and y. So we replace h comma k by x comma y. So we get x1 minus x plus y1 minus y square equal to r square. This is basically the standard equation of circle. This is basically the standard equation of circle where center is x1 comma y1 and radius is r. Center is x1 comma y1. Okay, we can write it as x1 minus x or x minus x1, y1 minus y or y minus y1 equal to r square, where the center is x1 y1 and radius is r. So this is basically the standard equation of circle which has came from distance between 2 points, the formula of distance between 2 points. Now whatever be the general equation of circle that came from here only. When we will expand these two quantities, then we will get the general formula of circle, general equation of circle. Let's do that too. Now we are coming to general equation of circle. So we have the standard equation of circle like x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. Now when we will expand this, we'll get x square plus x1 square minus 2x x1 plus y square plus y1 square minus 2y y1 equal to r square. So we are taking the coefficient of x, y on one side. So we get x square plus y square. Okay, and we are taking the coefficient of x and y. So here minus 2x x1 minus 2y y1, and these are the constant quantities. We know these are the constant quantities, so we bring it on the one so we can bring it on one side. So we can say plus x1 square plus y1 square minus r square equal to 0. Okay, so from here we can write, we can generalize it as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of circle. Okay, from here we can say 2gx, we are comparing with this, so g minus 2x x1 equal to 2gx and minus 2y y1 equal to 2fy. Okay, and we are getting c as x1 square plus y1 square minus r square. So from here we get these two will get cancelled out each other, and x cancel out each other, and we are getting g as minus x1 and f as minus y1. So there is no need to do this. Actually we are only concerned about the this radius. So from here we will get the radius as whatever, wait, from here we get g x1 as minus g and y1 as minus f. Okay, from here we'll get x1 as minus g and y1 as minus f. So our center was x1 comma y1, so equivalently center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, center is minus g comma minus f. Now if we'll consider about radius, so we are seeing that what we are seeing, x1 square plus y1 square minus r square is basically constant quantity. So we are from here we can write r square is x1 square plus y1 square minus c. So r is under root of x1 square plus y1 square minus c, and x1 y1 we can compare from here, that is minus g, so it is under root of r is basically under root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius of the circle and this is the center of the circle. So this was basically the derivation of the general form and the standard form of the standard equation of circle. Now let's summarize it. Let me summarize this whole thing. So we have a circle with equation x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square, where center is x1 comma y1 and radius is r. Okay, radius is r. This is the standard equation. Now we will go for general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this the center is minus g and minus f and radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so this is basically the radius and this is the center. So now you know from where these two quantities came into emergence. This was whole thing about today's lecture. Next part we will continue in circle only, so be ready for that.